Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Sandy Lin and I want to share with you the most favorite book that I love to read. This is the book of The Road Less Traveled by Mr. Scott Speaks. He valued the meaning of love for a person, and Mr. Scott said you need to decide whether what you want meant to be in the future, whether or your career or your loved ones. Yes, this is what's so quite difficult to choose because career versus your passion, your dream, you really want to be, and your love, loved one, your relationship to your loved ones. Yeah, this was so quite difficult, and she have a 4 category for the love. One is love is not dependency. Yes, love is not dependency because we have our own we have our own body, our own mind, our own heart, and we have our own freedom, and we have our rights too. And that's the meaning of dependency. And number two is commitment. Yes, if you love somebody, you need to commit all the things, even one details, at least small details, you need to commit to your partner. Number three, attention. Yes, this is required. You need to date, you need to go outside, you need to travel, you need to go somewhere that you are together. This is required to do that as your loved ones. And number three is courage. Yes, courage. What her want to be in the future, you need to encourage them to live up high to her dreams. You need to do everything to encourage her. And number four is balance. Yes, balance between your own family and your family. You need to focus on your own family, and we need to focus first for your own family. And if you have focused to your own family, this is the time you can help to your family also. But this is the most important thing, is your own family. This Mr. Scott said in her book, and if you want to read more about Mr. Scott's book, you can read this one. And this is all for now, and thank you for your time, and God bless.